Welcome to a place of tranquility and peace. In today's video, we'll explore the gentle flow of rivers and how connecting with water in nature can bring calmness and clarity to our busy lives. Sit back, relax, and let the soothing sound of the river guide you to a state of inner peace. Water has always been a source of life and renewal. From ancient times, rivers have symbolized the flow of energy and emotions. The gentle movement of water represents the constant ebb and flow of life, allowing us to release stress and move forward with ease. Pause for a moment to let the sound of the river take over. Rivers, with their endless journey from mountains to the sea, remind us that just as water flows effortlessly over obstacles, we too can navigate life's challenges with grace and calmness. Thank you for joining us on this journey today. If you enjoyed this moment of calm, be sure to subscribe and visit again for more videos filled with the healing power of nature. Take care of yourself and let the river's gentle flow bring you peace, wherever you may be.